Mastering Science and Mathematics, Your Path to Excellence. Hello and welcome to CosmoTech Chronicles, your gateway to the fascinating synergy of science and mathematics. Today, we're embarking on an in-depth exploration of how science can serve as the key to unlocking perfection in mathematics. If you're a math enthusiast or simply intrigued by the magical world of numbers, this video is tailor-made for you. Let's dive deep into the subject. To achieve perfection in mathematics, it's essential to grasp the intricate connection between mathematics and science. In this extensive video, we'll delve into 5 crucial ways that science can magnify your mathematical capabilities. The scientific method, a systematic approach encompassing observation, hypothesis testing, experimentation, and conclusion drawing, is a powerhouse when it comes to problem-solving and critical thinking. Believe it or not, this method can be seamlessly applied to mathematics. By breaking down complex mathematical problems into manageable steps and approaching them with the scientific method, you can gain a profound understanding and augment your problem-solving prowess. Another avenue through which science can elevate your mathematical journey is through interdisciplinary learning. Fields such as physics, chemistry, and computer science often heavily rely on mathematics. By expanding your horizons to these subjects, you'll cultivate a broader perspective on how mathematics is applied in real-world scenarios. This cross-disciplinary approach can open new vistas and pathways to mathematical perfection. Visualization and modeling are potent tools in the realm of science. The beauty is that they are equally potent in mathematics. The deployment of graphs, diagrams, and simulations helps render complex mathematical concepts more tangible. It's like turning the abstract into the concrete, making mathematical principles more accessible and easier to comprehend and apply. Data analysis and statistics form the bedrock of scientific research. They are equally pivotal in mathematics. These skills empower you to analyze trends, make predictions, and extract meaningful insights. By incorporating statistical methodologies into your mathematical toolkit, you significantly enhance your ability to make well-informed decisions and tackle practical problems. Last but certainly not least, technological advancements have revolutionized both science and mathematics. From the evolution of powerful math software and calculators to the advent of data-driven algorithms, technology accelerates mathematical computations and research. Learning how to harness these tools effectively can profoundly elevate your mathematical abilities. In conclusion, the synergy between science and mathematics is both undeniable and mesmerizing. By seamlessly integrating scientific principles and methods into your mathematical journey, you can inch closer to the elusive perfection in the realm of numbers and equations. Always remember that learning is an eternal voyage, and the more you explore, the nearer you get to mathematical perfection. I sincerely thank you for embarking on this enlightening journey with me. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing to CosmoTech Chronicles for an abundant supply of engrossing content exploring the convergence of science and mathematics. Feel free to leave your questions or comments below, and I'll be thrilled to engage with you. Until we meet again, keep delving into the unknown, keep learning, and continue your quest for perfection in mathematics with the unifying power of science.